the manager said she was going to kick me out if I did not leave. All right, I just walked in and they're dumping this wall. So let me dig through these bins really quickly. See if there's anything I can rescue. I didn't have much time, but I did manage to rescue a few things. I got this pretty blanket that's going to be great at Christmas time, kind of giving Ralph Lauren Christmas vibes. A piece of floral, these cookie cutters right here, and then I got this. It's Halloween suspenders and a bow tie. I don't know. One of my kids might need it, so I'm gonna check this wall before they start dumping it, because usually they dump one side and then they do the other one. Hopefully they empty this side soon, because I did not find hardly anything. It's definitely been picked over and out for a while, and this makes me so sad. I love these birthday girls, number 13, but she is broken in half, so cannot rescue her. I did get this little clip-on lampshade and this box right here. Unfortunately, I did not find the top for it, but I'm still gonna get it. They just rolled out a new bin. I only got a few things. I have this picture frame. I'm just putting it in my cart for now. I like it, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I found a white book, which is exciting, and also a tote. These clear totes, I use them for so many things, so every time I find one in good condition at the Goodwill Bins, I grab it. All right, we're gonna head to the wall because they're about to be done refilling it. Exciting news, they are switching out this wall, but I dug through that side. Let me show y'all what I got. Okay, I don't know about the pictures that are in here, but I think these frames are so pretty. They have different patterns on each side. They look older and just very unique. So I got both of these. Let me know if y'all think I should leave the pictures or change them out. I got this for me. I want to do a game wall in my garage, and I think this will look really good. I got this wooden piano. I think it's supposed to play music, which it doesn't anymore, but just as a piece of decor, I think it is really pretty. I got these paper clips just because sometimes I have a bunch of ephemera and I think it would look cool if it had this gold clip on it. Look, I found a little Christmas goose. I like this bowl. It looks handmade. It has a piece of cotton on it. This bowl is for me. Look how pretty. It has some crazing and staining on it. No markings on the bottom, but I love the quilted pattern and the color. And I got these two pieces. I like to put vignettes together, so I thought both of these would look pretty in one of those. Love leather. And I got this Lazy Susan right here. It has the scalloped edges, so I actually think I'm gonna put this in my kitchen instead of my DIY stash. If you do not have Lazy Susans in your DIY stash, they are so helpful. Uh-oh, they refilled it. Let's go dig. Now they're changing out this wall. All right, I didn't find too much over there. It was mostly bags and stuff, but I did get a few things. I found 3 of these music composers. I absolutely love these. These are plastic, but honestly, unless you touched them, you would not know. I love those. They don't sell very well for me, but I have to pick them up when I find them. I like this guy. I don't know if it's newer or older, but I just love the way he looks. I found 2 of these beautiful creamy white and gold Lenox bowls. There is the marking. This is vintage. It might have had a lid to it, I'm not sure, but I think it's really pretty. It's not broken. It is plastic, however. It'll make a cute little vase. And I love these little milk glass spice jars. Unfortunately, I only found 1 of these. I wish I would have found more, but I'm happy about the items that I found. Okay, we're gonna wait for them to change that out. Oh, there's a new bin over there. Oh my gosh, keep going so fast. All right, let me put this all in my cart. We got to go dig. I feel bad they're rolling out new carts so fast. I can hardly take y'all shopping with me. So this is what I found in the bin change, and also that wall, not too much. I got a lot of these paper plate holders. I love them. And look, there's a few blue ones in here. Normally I only find the, the normal basket color ones. And I got this. I don't know if it means something. I was gonna see if one of my kids wanted it. I don't know if you hang it on the wall or it's just a piece of decoration. I don't know. I thought it was cool. I got this cute little rabbit right here, and then a brass candlestick, and that is it. But they are continuing to roll stuff out, so we're gonna go dig some more. It's been pretty slow. I was about to head out because all I've been finding is clothes for my family that they probably don't even need, but they're changing out the wall again, so for sure we're hanging out a little bit longer. While I'm waiting around on this wall, I've just been walking around and checking the bins because a lot of times people throw stuff back, and I ended up finding 3 more of these milk glass jars, and this purse right here, it looks very old. It has this piece right here. Do y'all know what this is for? Was it meant to go on a belt with a dress? So I don't know what these sell for, but I just feel like I have to rescue this piece from the Goodwill Bins. All right, I'm back at my car. I could not finish the video the way that I normally do because the manager said she was going to kick me out if I did not leave because my cart was full. Like, I have these 2 totes taking up most of my cart. Oh, so I just put my cart in line because she said she was going to kick me out. So y'all watch my videos. Y'all know I am not at the bins for a long time. Usually I'm like, I only got 30 minutes. Let's do a quick lap. I would say at the most I'm there for 2 hours, 3 hours max. Then I usually have enough when I'm out of there, and I'm not going to be checking out multiple times while I'm there. And honestly, I did not feel like my cart was even full. I was putting stuff at the bottom of my cart when she came by, and she's like, if you're putting stuff down there, then it's full. But like, I have a certain way that I like to organize my cart. That way when I check out, it's a lot easier process. So like, all the goodies that I like to show y'all go at the top, and then all of the clothing that sometimes I talk about but usually don't, I put at the bottom. So anyway, I just got in line for checkout because I didn't want to get kicked out, and then I waited for the walls to be done, and I went look through that, and then I went check out, and I left. So I couldn't finish my video the way that I normally like to because I was forced to keep my cart in the checkout line instead of, normally I would go off somewhere where it was quiet and there weren't a lot of people where I could film and, you know, finish off my video. I think they make that rule for the people that are there all day at the bins and they're filling up several carts, and then they go to check out and they have like 3 to 5 carts to check out, which I get. They want them kind of checking out throughout the day, but I feel like most of the people at the bins are like me, and they're just coming in, they're just there for a little bit and they want to leave. They're not wanting to check out several times. And then like today, I didn't even feel like I had that much stuff. It's just that I had a few items that were big, so my cart looked full. And then like I said, I like to put my clothing on the bottom. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk about this anymore. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all